could be us.
Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel DM Legal, and today we are going to learn about the citation, as it is one of the most integral and important part of a lawyer's as well as a law student's life. So today we are going to see what are the citations. So the notes that I have made are pretty conclusive of everything that should be explained, and you can refer to this notes for 2 markers as well as the 5 markers. So let us start explaining. While arguing a matter before the court, lawyers usually refer to an authority, which may be a statute or a case, in support of their arguments. Judges, too, while delivering judgments, usually refer to such authorities in support of their decisions. Such reference to an authority is called a citation, and the action is termed as citing. So, while arguing in court, any lawyer or any judge refers to another case that is either decided by that court itself or that is decided by a superior court or any other court to refer the content or to refer the principle that was laid down in that particular case, then that is called as citation. The word citation, however, is more often used to denote the notation by which a case referred to may be found. Such notations or citations always indicate the name of the legal journal in which that particular judgment is published, its year of publication, and the number of page on which the text of the judgment begins. So, citation is generally the name of the law journal, the page number, the volume number of the book, if any, and the name of the court that has decided the judgment along with the year that the judgment was decided in. Sometimes the citations also includes the name of the court which delivered the judgment, as I just told you, in short form. So it won't state High Court, it would just state HC or SC. Law students need to know how to decipher such notations so that they can find the judgment cited in a law library. So, as a law student, we need to know how to understand these citations and notations so that we can refer to that particular case. So, it won't be given in a complete name, you might be just given a basic name of two parties and then you will be given which book it was reported in. So, we have to find that out. Given below are some citations along with their case names which have been explained for the students' benefit. So on the next page we can find some examples. So here I have given few examples and some different law reports along with the years that they were decided in. So first case is Badrinath Kothari versus Meghraj Kothari. So here Badrinath will be the petitioner or appellant. It depends. If the case is the appeal case, then the person whose name is cited first is always the person who has approached the court. He might be either petitioner or appellant if it is the appeal case, or he might be the plaintiff if it is a civil case. And the person whose name is given after is known as respondent. And there is citation that is AIR 1967 Cal 25. So it looks like a formula, but it is called citation. So AIR means All India Reporter. It is the abbreviated form of this All India Reporter. It was decided in 1967, and on page number 25 we'll find this particular judgment in All India Reporter of this year. And this case was decided by Calcutta High Court. So here we can see All India Reporter, it was HC, so High Court Reporter. And why? How did I find out it was HC? Because Calcutta is given here, so it was Calcutta High Court. Next case is Virappa Pillai versus Raman Limited, 1952 SCR 583. So a lot of reporters are there that have been reporting different judgments. So there is All India Reporter, then Supreme Court Reporter, then Supreme Court cases. So various various reporters use different format of citing. So here for All India Reporter, you will find the same pattern of citation in all the All India Reporter cases. However, the Supreme Court reporter has a different format. So it firstly gives out the year, then it will give out the name of the reporter, then it will give the page number on which the case is reported. So here, as I told you, the first name is Virappa Pillai, so he is either a petitioner or appellant or plaintiff, and the second name is of the defendant. Then year is 1952, as you all can see. The reporter is SCR, is Supreme Court reporter, and page number is 583. Same goes for Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. Again, this is the All India reporter case. Maneka Gandhi is petitioner, Union of India is respondent. It is very famous case, and all law students and mostly we have to study this case throughout our course and throughout our legal journey that we are going to go ahead with. So only different thing in these two cases is the name of the court. Here it was decided in Calcutta High Court, but here Maneka Gandhi case is decided in Supreme Court. Then we have Savita versus Sanjay. Here Savita is petitioner, Sanjay is respondent. Year is 1995. 3 SCC. So 3 here denotes the volume third of this year of Supreme Court cases. So SCC is the short form for abbreviated form for Supreme Court cases. Volume number 3 is denoted by number 3 over here, and 210 is the page number. Next is Advocate General versus Haji Hasham. This case was reported in Bombay Law Reporter. This was decided in 1909. Volume number 12, Bombay Law Reporter. 247 is the page number. And as we all have figured out already, Advocate General is the petitioner and Haji Hasham is the respondent in this case. Next case we have is Donmar Products Limited versus Hash. So this case was reported in All ER. All ER is All England Reporter in 1967 year, volume number 2 and page number 338. Donmar Products Limited being the petitioner and Hash being the respondent in this case. Then we have Tata Tea Limited versus State of Kerala. So Tata Tea is the petitioner, State of Kerala is respondent. 1987 is the year. Kerala LT is Kerala Law Times. That is the reporter again in which this case was reported, and the page number is 645. So here we have, I hope, understood most of the types of the citations that are generally used, and we have understood how to read the citation and how to find a particular case from that citation. So here I have listed down a few reporters and their mode of citation. So first is very commonly used All India Report, and its format is AIR. So I have just taken a sample page number and sample year, but the rest staying the same. So AIR is All India Reporter. It is the abbreviated form of the full name. Then 1985 will be the year. SC or any court. So if it is Bombay High Court, it will be written Bombay over here, BOM. If it is Calcutta, as we saw in the first case, in the examples that we saw, it was Cal dot. So here it is SC, that means Supreme Court. Whichever case that we are citing is decided in Supreme Court. 425 being the page number. So name of the reporter, then year, then court that decided the case, and here we have page number is the format of All India Reporter. Then we have Supreme Court cases. This is another reporter which is very widely used by all law students in various modes and even in the court of law. We have here first year, that is 1985. Then we have the name of the reporter, that is Supreme Court cases, and then we have the page number. Now, as we can clearly figure out from the name, all the cases that are reported in Supreme Court cases are decided in Supreme Court. Otherwise, it won't be reported in Supreme Court cases. All Supreme Court cases only are included in this reporter. Then we have judgments today. So the citation for this is JT 1985. Then 2 being the volume, SC being the name of the court, and the page number. So name of the reporter plus year plus volume number plus the court that decided the judgment case, and then the page number. Then we have criminal law journal, 1985 CRLG, that is criminal law journal, abbreviated form for this. Then 425 year, name of the reporter plus page number. Then we have Supreme Court reporter. So it gives 1985 SCR 425. So 1985 being the year plus name of the reporter plus page number. Then we have Maharashtra Law Journal, that is 1985 Maha LJ 425. So year, name of the journal and page number. Then Bombay Law Reporter, 1985 Bomb LR 425. So year, name of the reporter, and then we have page number. So most of the uh, law reporters have the similar format, but some of them are different. Some, as I stated earlier, some give out the name of the court that has decided the case, but the rest do not give out the name of the court. And here we are at the end of the video. I hope you have understood. If you like the video, please smash a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. Comment whichever your suggestions are. I would surely try and make a video on your suggestions. Also, don't forget to watch my earlier video that I had made on introduction of statutes. If you have missed that video, I would drop the link of that video in the description box below. Check it out and keep supporting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.